Hey Jack, what's up? Not bad.
Not bad.
Oh, by the way, look at my new shoes, bro. I bought them at Nike. What? I'm sorry, I didn't quite really catch that. What? I bought them at Nike. I still didn't get that. Come on, Nike, the world's most famous sports brand, you know? Oh, Nike, you said Nike. Oh, is that how you call Nike? I'm sorry, but the correct way to say it is Nike. Why on earth would you call it Nike? Then how do you pronounce hike? Hikey? What about bike? Bikey? Just speak English. Jack, what? Nike is an American company, and chairman of Nike has already admitted that Nike is the correct pronunciation. And I know a lot of Brits who pronounce it Nike too.Nike, bikey, hikey, Nike, bikey, hikey, Nike, bikey, hikey, waddle, waddle, waddle.